Hi, what is MLOps? To understand MLOps better, let us first understand the core functions of it. The DevOps, data engineering, and machine learning. DevOps, as we all know, a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations together, aim to shorten the SDLC and continuously do the delivery. Data engineering is a set of operations aimed at creating interfaces, mechanisms for flow of access of information. And finally, the machine learning, which is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience and by the use of the data that we have pulled across. If you marry all these three, the DevOps, data engineering and machine learning, it is called MLOps. And MLOps is primarily aimed to deploy and maintain machine learning systems in productions for reliability and efficiency. Thank you.